Hey, would you like to make this beautiful 3D paper snowflake? It's easier than you think. All you need are 6 sheets of paper, some scissors, and glue or tape. They're just really beautiful and they're very easy to make. First, you're going to make a square out of your paper. If you already have a square, you're going to skip this step. If you don't know how to make a square, just take one corner, fold it up, make sure you have a point, and cut the excess off. You're going to use that extra later on to make some mini snowflakes, so don't throw it away. I hate to waste anyway. Next, you're going to crease it and take one corner and make it meet the other one. Crease again, make it really smooth. Now make sure the open ends are pointing up and you're going to cut parallel to the open side, okay? Don't go all the way to the end. You're going to make 3 cuts. 1, 2, and 3. Gently open it up, being careful not to tear the paper. And there you go. Flatten it out a little bit. Now what you're going to do is go from the inside and you're going to curl, apply glue or tape, and you're going to connect the other inside flap to that one. I'm using glue, so with a glue stick, I count for about 15 seconds. With liquid glue, maybe 30. Now flip and do the next inside level. Curl, apply glue or tape, and then attach. Keep flipping until you've gotten them all. Flip again, curl, grab your tape or glue, attach the other side, make it look nice. And here's my last one. Flip, curl up, glue or tape, and attach the other side. See, really simple. So you need 6 of these. See? Once you have all 6, it's time to attach them together. Some people use staplers. I just had glue. I didn't have tape. Nothing else. So you are going to take the ends and attach them together. I used glue again. If you have a stapler, of course, it'll be simpler, right? But use what you have. This glue worked fine. Here's my fourth one. It's already taking shape. Here's number 5. Takes 6 times as long as if you were using a stapler, of course. And here's the last one, and we're almost done. It's already pretty. Now for the last step, we're going to join each one of those pieces of paper together. It looks like a flower. I want to say petals, but this is a snowflake. You can get creative and turn it into a flower if you want to. So see right there in the middle, some people use their stapler. I'm using my glue. Attach each one of those. It takes some patience, but it doesn't really take too much time. And voila, it is done. Those scraps of paper left over, you can make a mini one. Actually, attach an ornament hook and you can hang them on your Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Take care.